The aim of my study was to investigate the socio-economic role of the manufacturing and service sector SMMEs in developing socio-economic contexts with a specific reference to South Africa. The aim and objective was to assess the social legacy and/or contributions of the sector within South Africa, was also to unpack the opportunities and/or challenges affecting the growth potential of the sector, and lastly, was to make a recommendation to address the potential gaps concerning current challenges of the sector. The main accomplishment of my study is to develop an SMME socio-economic framework which incorporated 14 themes that emerged from the research, demonstrating that SMME growth and sustainability depends on 3 core components, which are economic growth, business expansion, and market access. These 3 clusters are essential and cornerstone for SMME and sustainability. The framework also demonstrated that improvement of socio-economic growth is enabled by integrated support, coordinated funding, as well as supportive laws and regulation. Lastly, the study identifies the establishment of integrated education system and SMME training institution as the critical factors for competitiveness of the SMME, thus improving job creation and standard of living. The relevance of the study is to enrich debate on the growth and role of SMME in socio-economic development of society within the credible attention to academic space and professional circles. The study will also offer a South Africans and development actors with a framework that will enhance SMME growth and sustainability, which can contribute towards improving job creation and reducing poverty in the country.